It's your boy Bemi, back at it again, here with a sneaker showcase. Air Jordan 12s. These were released back in 2009, and these are special to me because these were the shoes that I got with a special connection with my girl, my fiance, soon to be my wife, Jay. Jay from Bemi and Jay. Watch our vlog channels. I'll put a link in the description, and y'all can watch that. But she, at the time, she was going to PV. I was at U of H, and I found out she worked at the Nike store. And with that, it was a wrap because I needed that discount. And I just got to know the girl. She didn't want to let that go. She did not want to give me that Nike employee discount, and I was not having it. I kept hounding her. And she finally eventually gave in, ordered these for me. And matter of fact, even the first time I think was a 10.5. Got the wrong size, was able to get an 11. But yeah, man, that's what makes these special to me. And pretty much all my shoes really just have stories. Eventually, I'll probably, do a little showcase of all my other shoes. If y'all want to see that, let me know. But that's these. I just really seen a lot of people talk about it on in the comments. They all really want to see Jordan 12 cherries come back out again. I can't say these shoes are really hot. Anytime I wear them, somebody wants to buy them off my feet. But these are not going anywhere because they're special to me just for that story. And so here you go. I'm gonna get y'all on feet. Now one day, I think I'm gonna have to give y'all a shoe review of all my shoes. I was looking for these Jordan 12s I'm about to review, so stacks missing right there. I got shoes everywhere. I got shoes down in here, like under clothes. I got other shoes over here. I got shoes here. I got shoes right there. I got shoes behind here. And so of course I got some shoes here. Matter of fact, let's see what these are. These are Jordan Bread 1s. They're glittering. And here's this. This is Jordan 9. These are Canadian Jordan 1s. Got some phone pockets, denim phones. These. Oh, I just picked these up, man. Y'all want to see a review on this? Then these, I picked up these a while ago. Then I got shoes in here. I'll let my Nigerian heritage right here. Got shoes in here. Then I got shoes down here. Like, your boy got shoes for days. Y'all want to see some more? We'll see. I need to show y'all the shoes under the bed. I'm telling y'all, man, I got shoes everywhere. It's a problem.